homes. We are going to Puerto Rico.
During the pre-flight checkup, the landing gear had issues, so they had to send a couple mechanics out to take a look. I think we were delayed by like an hour. This was all after we found out Josh passed his COVID test, and I was too trigger happy that I booked the wrong flight, which caused us to rush to the airport for no reason. But American Airlines was able to fix it for us and added us to the standby list, and we were able to hop on the next flight out. They even gave us a $1 voucher. Good for a year. Not completely useless at all. We're here in Josh's home country, Puerto Rico.
United States of America, that's right.
We're in Puerto Rico. We're at an old castle, Castillo something. I'll put it in the caption. It's a really nice view.
It is gorgeous.
Just got done with the castle. Great weather, but it is a bit humid because it's tropical. We're about to head to La Perla, walk around that area, and then grab some lunch, head to the beach. Check out this architecture. Lunch views. We're at the beach.
Yeah.
And
it's pretty.
I'm kind of messed up. I don't know about Josh, but I'm having a great time. Hang out here for a couple hours, get a tan, vitamin D, and then head back to the room and rest up for tonight because we're gonna go party. We went out to dinner tonight, came back, ready to pre-party to go out, and the curfew here is legit. It's 11 p.m. and even the 24-hour market that sells beer is closed. How whack is that?
Yeah, that makes no sense.
It makes absolutely no sense.
Especially since we were there last night, way later than this, and they were open.
We went there last night, picked up some water, a beer, and that place was cracking. There's a lot of people hanging outside in the parking lot. We came back today just to get a couple beers, and they're closed. Instead, I went to a gas station and paid an arm and a leg for some IPAs.
It's good beer, though.
It's great beer. However, considering that we're in Puerto Rico, I thought things would be cheaper.
I would hope that they would have had at least rum or something at the gas station.
There
Could've
is
got a bottle.
no bottle at the gas station, only wine and beer. And yeah, I guess we're drinking in the Airbnb tonight.
Lame.
Lame. Oh, plus we're pretty damn sunburnt. It's our third day here in Puerto Rico, and it's a daily challenge to get Josh awake. Let's see if he's up. Coming in. You live?
Arguably. What's up?
Going out. You want to go?
I'm good for now.
All right. So, Josh, no show today. I'm at the Ocean Lab Brewing Company by myself, having a breakfast beer at 11. Decided to leave Ocean Lab, went to the beach, and it is raining. Tried to check out a bar, and it's one of those like little shacks that don't really serve anything. Just had lunch by myself near the beach. About to walk to another bar. I think Josh is going to finally join me up. There's actually a lot of people at the beach today. There's a lot of traffic too, which is I'm not even sure if that's normal. It's a Sunday. Some of the restaurants are closed. I assume due to church, no idea. But there's a lot of people here. So I'm trying to get to a bar right now, but Google wants me to walk around on the street. I'm gonna see if there's a shortcut through the beach. Hopefully this isn't high tide rocks. I take it back, there's no way around. I gotta walk back. At least it's a nice walk. It's an absolute quest to find an open bar slash restaurant on the beach. A lot of the information on Google and Yelp is incorrect. Places are either closed or they've moved. So currently I'm at a bar that's called Waterfront, and if I look at it on Google, it's probably about half a mile down the street. Look who finally made it!
It's me.
It's raining on me again. Waiting for our Uber, and our Uber is stuck in this traffic. Also, I'm getting lit up by bugs that I have no idea where they're coming from. So our Uber driver just canceled on us. We're getting another one, but it's raining. And I see our canceled Uber. Fucking asshole. So I'm riding solo again, exploring La Forteza today. It's our last full day. We're headed back tomorrow afternoon. Whew, it's freaking hot. We're in January and it's about 80s. I can't imagine this place during summer. But nice bright blue sky. Feels good. I'd rather be in this heat than the cold that we passed by. So I spent the morning walking around Old Town San Juan. It was really humid. Ended up at the same bar from the other day. Had a couple of drinks, a few drinks. Watched the ocean. And now I'm back at the Airbnb, having another drink, but about to have a siesta. Yo, you're finally up.
I've been up since this morning. Why?
Not since I've been out. What are we doing tonight?
We're going to Ropa Vieja And you're gonna get real Boricua arroz con pollo because I talked it up months ago. So now you're gonna find out if it's actually good or not.
I've been waiting for arroz con pollo since Miami, but I've had the Cuban version, not the Puerto Rican version. And Josh has been hyping it up because his grandma makes apparently the best one. This grandma that I've never met, but...
Well, she did when she was around.
Oh,
she's
bad.
English, but my grandpa...
What? I feel so deceived right now.
But my grandpa is a real Puerto Rican, and she learned from the best.
All right.
It's really good.
All right, well, it's our last night here. I think we're flying out tomorrow around 5 p.m. And what are we doing tonight?
We're gonna go get arroz con pollo, and I'm gonna get rum because we're in Puerto Rico, and I've had exactly 2 rum drinks. Both of them were pina coladas, and they were both at the same place. So I feel like I'm not doing the proper justice to what is best known.
So in other words, it's rum time, right?
It's rum time.
Rum time, rum time, rum time.
It's rum time.
So my dumbass locked us in the corridor between our Airbnb and the front door.
We're in the man trap.
And the owner of the Airbnb says he'll take an hour to get here. So we are literally jailed in this corridor. So since Puerto Rico is a U.S. territory, they accept USD, and pretty much everything that I ate or spent on was pretty much on par as being in the States. So you don't really get the benefit of being in a foreign country and, you know, taking advantage of the US dollar. And for that reason, I think I would probably stick to other places like Hawaii or Florida. And if I want a cheaper escape, I'd probably just go to Mexico. How do you feel about Puerto Rico, sir? Seeing as your family is from here?
I dig it. Grass is green, weather's nice, the girls are pretty. The cost of living is pretty much American, like you said. Just kind of lame. You get like some of the shit you get in a third world country, but you pay American prices. But it was cool to visit it. I'd like to see other places that aren't just in San Juan, but yeah, it's cool.
Big round tacos, chicken sandwich, and wings. Born on the beach at Ocean Lab.